This is a Shadow 2+1. We call it a reversible model because you can travel with your horses in the front end and your golf cart in the back. 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide. The horse area is insulated in the walls and the ceiling. It's currently set up for those horses to ride backwards in the front. I'll show you that in a second. It's got drop-down windows everywhere. The hip windows are dropped down. The head windows are dropped down. It's got brand new tires, steel wheels, and Equiflex axles. There's also a drop window there. Nice and high for the newer trucks. It does have a manual jack and a full-size spare tire. It's a 42-inch dressing room on this trailer. 3 saddle racks and bridle hooks and a roomy nose. A little step for entry and a walk-through door. I've got the butt bar up, so I can't go through that walk-through door right this second. But if you're using it in standard form, you can easily walk right through that door and use this front area as a tack-up area or storage. Or in this case, this prior customer had their horses riding backwards. And used the back end for her golf cart. You can't get the golf cart with the side ramp turned in the trailer because it's not wide enough, but you can put it right here in the back. Got 10 feet of space here. Most golf carts are 9 feet long. So in this case, we would bring our horses up the rear ramp, turn them around in this big space here, and then back them into their slots like you do on a head-to-head. Or if you wanted them to ride normal and have your +1 up front, you just move that divider to this end, open end of the trailer, turn your gates around so they open the correct way, and use the front as your +1. Got 4 roof vents in here, lots of LED lights, drop-down windows everywhere. 10 feet on either end for your horses or for your golf cart. Rear ramp has top doors with windows. It's a nice wide side ramp. I think it's 54 inches. But it could be 60. I'd have to put a tape measure on it. It could be a 60-inch wide side ramp. Again, the horse area is lined and insulated in the walls and the ceiling. The dressing room is insulated in the ceiling. And I'm just going to double check what year it is for you. Where's my sticker? Oh, there it is. It is a 2016 Shadow 2+1. 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide, I believe. And it's 24 feet on the floor. It's a 20-foot horse area and a 42-inch dressing room.